The DynApp Universal Connector is a tool that lets you seamlessly and securely transfer your online forms data to hundreds of applications and data stores with a no-code approach. Build apps in hours, not months. Easily connect to data using Excel-like expressions to add logic and run on the web, iOS, and Android devices. Include powerful workflow automation directly in your apps with a no-code approach that connects to hundreds of popular apps and services. There are many use cases for the DynApp Universal Connector. Here are just a few. Quickly implement a web page to collect information in a crisis situation, host a customer satisfaction survey, or host an employee engagement survey. Build a simple workflow that qualifies eligibility for a public grant and submits the request to your customer services application. Pre-qualify a customer inquiry by topic and direct it to the correct team. Self-serve a customer request without need to involve an agent. Offer an easy way to raise a complaint on your website, raise a warranty claim, or request a callback. Capture feedback following COVID-19 vaccinations, identify the impact of an incident, or collect information for a marketing campaign. Build a form that collects documentation and stores it securely in your Microsoft SharePoint application. Validate customer identity. Provide evidence for an open case, with product photos, for example. We're now going to demonstrate just how easily a file upload use case can be implemented using the DynApp Universal Connector. We create a simple Form.io form to capture customer information and an image file. The connector will send your information to Microsoft Dynamics CRM and a SharePoint website. With Form.io, you can build a form and embed it in your website very easily. Here we are filling in a form and uploading a picture. When you submit, that's when the magic happens. The DynApp Universal Connector enables you to use a graphic interface-based approach to build any flow. In this case, we are sending data to Microsoft Dynamics and uploading the submitted file to SharePoint, as demonstrated here. But that's not everything. What if I want to change the form I just created? Will I need to reconfigure the entire form from scratch? The answer is no. You can easily add a new field to your form, and the connector will guide you to map it against a new field in your CRM system, as shown in this example. And now it's all done. Now you can enjoy your production-ready solution. DynApp Universal Connector. Less time for dev, more time for you.